Hi guys, this is Samuel Joshi of Class 10C. In this video, I am going to tell you about a very nice chapter from our English supplementary book, Footprints Without Feet, and the chapter is A Triumph of Surgery. Its author is James Herriot. Let us know more about the author. James Alfred Waite, known by the pen name James Herriot, was a British veterinary surgeon and a writer who used his many years of experience as a veterinary surgeon to write a series of books, each consisting of stories about animals and their owners. He is best known for these semi autobiographical works, beginning with If Only They Could Talk in 1970, which spawned a series of movies and television series. The main characters in this story are Mr. Harriet. He is a vet. The second main character is Mrs. Pumphrey. She is a very rich lady. And then the next character is Tricky, a dog. He is Mr. Pumphrey's dog. What is the story about? Tricky, a small dog, is pampered and overfed by his rich mistress. He falls ill and his mistress consults a veterinary surgeon. Does he perform operation or does the dog get well? Let us find out. Mrs. Pumphrey was a rich lady who had a pet dog named Tricky. She loved her dog very much and was unable to refuse him anything he wanted. Tricky was fond of eating cream cakes and chocolate. One day, when Mrs. Pumphrey was out of with Tricky for a walk, the narrator saw and stopped to talk. He was shocked to see Tricky because he looked like a bloated sausage. He had become very fat. His eyes were red and watery. Pumphrey explained that she believed the pet was suffering from malnourishment, as he did not have any energy and excitement. She told him that she used to give him malt, cod liver oil, and a bowl of Horlicks at night, apart from his regular meals, so that he could sleep at night. Harriet realized that she had been overfeeding Tricky. He warned Mrs. Pumphrey that Tricky would soon fall ill if she did not keep him on a strict diet and increase his exercise. As expected by Mr. Harriet, soon Tricky got unwell and Mrs. Pumphrey had to call Mr. Harriet. She told him that she was very upset as Tricky was not eating anything and was vomiting frequently. Being a veteran in his field, he knew that the only way to get Tricky well was to get him out of the house for a few days. Then he suggested Mr. Pumphrey that it would be good to get Tricky hospitalized and keep him under observation for a fortnight. Mrs. Pumphrey nearly fainted and told Tricky would die if Tricky did not see her every day. But Harriet told her that this was the only option as Tricky was very ill. He brought the dog to his surgery and kept along with a pack of other dogs. For the first 2 days, he did not give him any food but plenty of water. On the third day, Tricky, who was so listless about the new environment, began to whimper when he heard the other dogs at the yard. He trotted out and started playing with other dogs. His condition started steadily improving day by day. He had now started fighting for his food with other dogs. The dog had been in the new world of joy in its friendly fights and playing with other dogs. In order to facilitate the speedy recovery and improve her pet's strength, Mrs. Pumphrey, started sending fresh eggs. To enrich his blood, she sent wine and brandy. Harriet and his partners at the surgery were very much surprised at the lavish supply, and they enjoyed themselves with all these supplements during their meal. After a fortnight, Harriet informed Mrs. Pumphrey that Tricky was all right and was awaiting collection. To her surprise, Mrs. Pumphrey found Tricky had been transformed into a hard muscle and active animal. On seeing his mistress, Tricky fawned over her. Mrs. Pumphrey was overwhelmed to see her pet to be very active. She expressed her gratitude to Mr. calling her pet's recovery a triumph of surgery.